Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gorshani. Today I have the newly released AirPods Pro 2nd generation from Apple, and I will be doing unboxing and review of this amazing Apple product. So Apple released the AirPods Pro 2nd generation as an upgrade from the AirPods Pro, introducing better features such as improved active noise cancellation, longer battery life, clearer audio during voice calls, and more gestures to control what you are listening to. The AirPods Pro 2nd generation come in their appealing white box, showing the improved design of their earbuds. The AirPods Pro 2 come only in white. However, this is just a small compromise compared to what the AirPods have to offer. Once you open the box, you are met with the earbuds case. Let me get it out for you to properly see how it looks like. The design hasn't changed much from its predecessor, though it has a few minor changes as we will come to see. The earbuds come placed in the case, with the case having a light indicator which you can see blinking to show whether the case has enough charge or not. And at the back of the case there is a magnet in it that allows for wireless charging. Now for those of you like me who easily misplace their cases, Apple has added a lanyard hook to the side of the case that allows one to keep the earphones in close range. At the bottom of the case we will have a lightning charging port and an amazing new feature, that is a speaker that allows for easy location of the AirPods case. Amazing! The box also comes with a charging cable, with one end being Type-C that connects to the power source, and the other end being the lightning cable end that connects to the case to charge. Charging with the cable takes close to an hour, while wireless charging will take a bit longer. Also included in the box is a casing containing extra pairs of ear tips. These extra ear tips range in sizes from extra small, small to large, with the medium-sized ones being in the earbuds already. So whatever size your ears may be, the AirPods Pro 2 will offer a comfortable fit for your ears. Just like previous AirPods, the AirPods Pro 2 come with the Siri to assist you while on the go. The earbuds offers up to 6 hours of continuous playtime and up to 30 hours when recharging with the case. For more information, click the link in the description or top comment of this video to read the article I have written on the same. See me in my next video as I show you how to connect to the AirPods Pro 2nd generation to iPhone 14. Goodbye.